The last item to look at in this editing session is polygon. Polygon's quite a useful one, so looking for it on our draw menu. With the way this is configured, it's a bit hard to find. There's a drop down under rectangle. So polygon is really a special case, or rectangle is a special case of a polygon. So we'll go to polygon again. We'll pick up the center of that. Number of sides 6. We'll pick up the center of the circle, and let's go to circumscribed this time, and the polygon is outside the circle, so it's circumscribed outside the circle. If we do another circle over here and then another polygon, and we'll pick up, let's go 8 sides, we'll pick up the center of the circle, center of our polygon, and we'll go to inscribed this time, and what's happening is the polygon is inside the circle, so it's inscribed.